What is going on, everybody? It is Jamie and welcome to the channel Thiftonfire. I got out early this morning and it's a good thing because it's starting to be a rainy afternoon. It's kind of spitting rain right now, but I did get out this morning. I found some good things. Went to, I think, 24 yard sales in total. Obviously I didn't find, things at every yard sale. I only found some good things at a few yard sales. Yesterday though, you can see beside me, I got some gravel here. So we got a little shed update. I'll show you just a little video now of gravel getting dumped, but we're gonna get this spread out hopefully this week. That's really awesome. So we got a little bit of a shed update, and now let's get into the yard sale video.
How are you?
Good morning. Cool. It's just like a little figure 8 track, eh?
Yeah.
That's cool. What were you asking for this thing?
$1.
$1? Man, can't say no for $1 for sure.
Exactly.
Alrighty.
You could take the whole garage. I don't want to pack anything.
Yeah, I know the feeling. Oh, these guys are pretty old, or this one is anyway.
Yeah.
Look at those eyes.
Yeah.
Huh.
Over here too. And she's got 50 cents. So
Okay. Yeah. Well, if the sun could stay out, that'd be good.
Oh, I can't. What were these things called? What was that?
I
Were these Thundercats, maybe?
don't think it's Thundercats. It could be. You're asking me to remember when I was like 15.
I know, right?
And
These
that
are
was
cool.
a long time ago.
All right, so I just want to jump in really quick. So obviously we have this guy, right? He's the main part. I actually have all 4 of these. So these are about $20 a piece, roughly. But the cool thing is, and I have not tried to do it yet. I got the red guy. Apparently, all of these connect together, and you can create one kind of big robot. It's Vortron. Is that right? Whatever it is, I'll throw it up on the screen. I kind of remember this, but not really at the same time. So yeah, altogether, this thing, if it's all together, which it looks like it is, should be worth just over $100. You got some wrestlers in here too.
Yeah.
It's the mismatch of stuff. Cool.
do you have a bag for these posters?
Find a bag for you? I'm gonna tell you, I might not. Do you want a box?
Just wanted to pop back on here. There was also these transformers in the box here. Okay, there's 2 of these guys. They're probably worth like 10, 15 bucks a piece. And then this little tiny guy. I'll probably just lot up the transformers, all 4 of the little ones here, and sell them together as a lot for maybe, I don't know, like maybe an extra 30 bucks. All right, so we're gonna grab, what does this say for, what do you want just for the whole box of stuff here?
$2.50 for the whole box.
Okay. Well, you're being too nice. I'm just gonna give you $5 for
Okay.
everything there. That's cool. Thank you.
Cool. Thanks.
Hopefully you sell everything.
I hope so. Or you should come back and just take that.
There you go. I have no idea what any of this stuff is worth. I've always done good with slot cars. Everything's there. It's complete. Some wrestlers. I'll have to figure out what these figures are called. By the time I edit this, obviously I would have threw up the right comps, but cool. Now, none of these post-secret books have a lot of resale value, but this is something my wife's been interested in for probably the last 10 years. She used to check this weekly. That's just a website, and it's just people who you can post on there, I think. But these books, because I don't think they have a lot of resale value, maybe like $6 to $10 a book. I could also throw them in the booth, something like that. But these are really just for her. And you know, I've never really seen too many hard copies available, so I thought I'd pick them up. I think I find about 5 in total. I'd find a way.
Back to the garage here for 40 years.
Hey, good morning.
How are you?
Good, and you?
Good.
What do you want for the books here?
You can just make us an offer. What are you thinking?
Are you okay with like $1 a book? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's funny. I've not seen a lot of these. My wife likes this online, or used to anyway, so it's kind of cool.
Cool. Oh, the books.
Yeah. Get your jacket.
You want a bag?
Oh, it's okay. I'm not too far away. What's all in this toy bin, or like everything?
Oh. Yeah. Yeah, you can move that stuff over there. I don't know how that. Just throw them.
Is it just like Lego pieces? Oh, I guess it is like.
Just a little bit of everything in there.
Yeah.
So I'll get you a bag and you can fill it up if you want.
Yeah. I got. You don't want anything for this?
Huh?
What is it? What do you want for this?
You want to take the whole thing?
Yeah.
Oh, geez.
I would
there
just-
you go. Just
I would just go
those
through it.
stick things, if you don't, you can throw that out.
The boomerang, yeah.
Or that other pointy
Okay.
thing. I was gonna get.
Do you mind if I take the bin, or you want the bin?
No, you can take the bin. I got a cover for it.
Okay, sure. I appreciate it. There's lots of neat stuff in there anyway.
Lots of treasures in there.
Yeah. Oh yeah. It'd be fun to go through.
Yeah.
5, and then 5 for the jacket, right?
Yep.
Okay, so I clearly don't have any idea what's all in here. Here's an Eddie Guerrero. Okay, obviously didn't pay anything. Who do we got here? The Rock. Is this a Beyblade, or what are these things that pop open? I don't even know. I did see some Lego in here. There's some Hot Wheel cars. I don't know what this guy is from. It looks familiar though. Yeah, it'll just be fun to go through these. Ninja Turtles. Maybe there's some Ninja Turtles. If I find anything in here that's crazy, like you can't believe that it was free, I'll let you know. But clearly there'll be some money in here. It'll just take so much time to go through all this stuff, but I didn't really want to leave it. I was mostly interested, honestly, in the wrestling figures, and I was hoping there was some more buried in there, but yeah, could be absolutely anything in here. Morning.
That's an antique, eh?
Yeah, that's an old one.
Used to have it in the boat.
Wow. You got $5 on that thing? Still works as far as you know? Yeah? Sure.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Great.
I know, he's missing his nose. Otherwise, he'd be like so like
He'd be worth so much because he's antique.
He's cute.
Thinking
But this must have been yours, right?
that was mine.
Yeah,
My
'cause
dog
he's-
ate my, not this one, but a different dog ate his nose.
Yeah, I had the same one.
I know.
I'm gonna get him anyway. What do you want for it?
I'll take $2.
Sure.
She doesn't sound like she
That's
wants
a
to get rid
dollar.
of it.
I know. I'm like, oh, if it had, I know. How long can you keep it in a box in your basement?
Yeah,
I have
know.
other ones still in good condition, but
Oh,
he got
no.
his nose eaten.
Cool. Well, he's still cute.
Sure, you can find a new heart nose. Put it back on.
I'm sure. Thank you. Had a really great morning. Like I said, I beat the rain. I was out of there by about 10 a.m. and it just started to rain after that. Also found a Daytona 500 hat. This one's 2006 Gatorade Victory Lane editions. There's no really good comps for this, but I hopefully get about 25 bucks. I think I paid $1 for that. This is a Tokyo Olympic. So the same place that I just picked, you see me pick up that Care Bear hat. I also picked up this little visor. It's actually got the 2020 Tokyo Olympics little tag on it. I can't find a comp for that. I paid $2. It's brand new with tags. I think I'll make a few dollars on it. And then this guy, you see me pick up. No nose, very cute. I know I had this exact same one, which is probably why I think it's so cool, honestly. But yeah, that guy, I'll probably throw in the booth for like, I don't know, $15, $20, obviously without the nose. Probably not going to sell it online, but I do think that's really awesome. I was happy to pick that up. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing for more content, and we will see you soon.